what the players are feeling now is fantastic. They deserve, and now they can relax. I think we showed absolutely everything since day one. Everything football demands from a team. We had that. We had fantastic attacking football. We had fantastic domination. We had high percentages of ball possession. We had low percentages of ball possession. We gave the ball to the opponent strategically. We defended amazingly well. And the game today is a good example of that, because Crystal Palace gave us a counter-attack game. We coped with that. We scored our goal. We changed the team. We do everything that the team needs. So that's why we are champions. That's why we deserve so much to be champion. And I think everybody knows that. And the ones that have a big face to say that we don't deserve are the ones that in my country we say the dogs bark and the caravana goes by.